Hello, and thank you for stopping in again here at MarineMax Gulf Shores. Today we're going to be taking a brief look at this Harris 210 Sunliner. She's powered with the Mercury 115 Pro with the heavy duty lure end and 3 full tunes. As you go to board the boat, you'll see this heavy duty 4-step ladder with woven teak flooring and a reversible lounger. This boat comes with cover and a beautiful layout for just lounging around. For a full viewing of this boat and any of our other Harris pontoons, come see me, Dwayne Diggs, MarineMax Gulf Shores.